Breaking news: Nigerian Police Department of State Security Services take over National Assembly as workers protest unpaid allowance. Do you know that as we speak, no single minister is being held his salary or arrears? They get paid as at when due, even before the 28th day of the month. They've already been paid, they've been sorted. So they go about their life and their business, doing what they needed to do, living extravagantly, lavishly, like they would normally do. But the people at the grassroots who work tirelessly, okay, who are there, who are the ones doing the main work, are eating like peasants, okay, like are the ones struggling. Why these people are having a field day? In what way, form, or kind is that fair? In what language is that a fair bargain in any way? So these are some of the things that the people are protesting and saying, no, not anymore. We are tired. We are sincerely and truly tired. Okay. If you want us if you want things to change, we must start where we are right now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Breaking news: Nigerian Police Department of State Services take over National Assembly as workers protest unpaid allowance. The placards carrying protesters shut down all entrance into the building, singing solidarity songs with inscriptions, "Pay us our MOU." National Assembly workers on Monday in Abuja staged a protest at the lobby of the complex over non-payment of their salaries and allowance by the management. The placards carrying protesters shut down all the entrance into the building, singing solidarity songs with inscriptions such as "Pay us our MOU." The workers, under the aspiration of the Parliament's Staff Association of Nigeria, PAMSAN, had last week Thursday sent a letter to the Department of State Services and the Nigerian Police Force notifying them of their intention to commence an industrial strike and the Federal Parliament on Monday. They accused the management of the National Assembly of failure to honor a memorandum of understanding supported by the two parties. Some of their demands, including payment of 50% balance of consolidated legislative salary structure, 5 months allowance immediately released in the immediate release of 2022, training templates and evidence of provision of gratuities for retired staff, end of year bonus and payment of promotion arrears to deserving workers. The protesters also vowed that the National Assembly services on Thursday must give them their due worth. Meanwhile, armed operatives of the DSS and police have taken over the security architecture of the complex to avoid the breakdown of law and order. Some of the hoodlums operating in the area were seen in hoodlums in Hilux vehicle at the entrance of the building trying to take over the protest. At the time of the filing of this report, the National Assembly Service Commission has summoned an emergency meeting to address the workers' demand, which they've been making way long before now, that nobody has paid attention to. So you want them to come first before you rise up to the occasion and do the needful for them. This is Nigeria for you, where the plight of the people, is not paid attention to, where the people are not, are not considered to be part and parcel of what can actually bring a difference. These people who are in government to a large extent do things that maybe fit them, and the others can scrap for whatever they do. That's their business. They don't care, and it ought not to be so. You will not hear that a single senator's salary is being held. No, not one. Every one of them are paid even before the time. Yet the man and woman who is in the grassroots working tirelessly to ensure that the paperwork are done, all the files are kept properly, whoever is working in whatever capacity are doing their hardest best possible. But guess what? The government cannot be bothered because they have no sense of responsibility to her people. So everybody continue to wonder, Why truly, really, we continue to wallow in such? We're going round in the same circle again and again, and nothing being done. People, I mean, this, you guys are lucky because you work in the National Assembly, in it. Go and see other people, go and see what's really going on with them. Okay, salaries being held. What about the increment? Some states have not even implemented 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira, oh, but governors and senators know how much they are receiving. But per month, in a single month, at 28 days, 4 weeks has elapsed, they know how much they receive. Yet they want the others to scrap and be beggars, as if, okay, they've offended somebody. This is what they do. This is how they go about it. And it's sad. It's very sad. The truth of the matter is we cannot come out of it until we all we've agreed and we're on the same page, and we do not allow this oppressive set of leaders to continue on their track. And that's why everybody, I will encourage you, go get your PVC. The position to vote is not whether we want to vote or we don't want to vote. If there is an election in 2023, you and I have a responsibility of picking who becomes our leader. Because if we continue with the same might and we allow these people to have their way, you'll be surprised. Look at what Buhari has just done is a tip of the iceberg, because you see the man, there's no iota of responsibility tied to his belt. He can't be bothered. If you like, tell him that they did this, they did that. Oh, the man does not even have a sense of belonging whatsoever. Clearly speaking, he only came to, carry out his own revenge mission on whoever it is that has offended him, and to Islamize Nigeria by using his very cohorts, the Fulanis, to come and carry out his operational activities. And we can see we can see what is going on. But guess what? We're not going to let these things happen because we know what they are after, we know what they are doing. We're not going to let it be. We're not going to allow it. Because if we say nothing, we do nothing, we allow them, I'm sorry, we leave ourselves to chance. And the truth is that you and I have got responsibility not to allow these things to go on any further. Okay, we cannot allow it go on any further. The truth of it is, whether you like it or not, there are people, there are persons there who do not want to see you to it that, the country come out of the current predicament and things are in the way they want it. Okay, so if we want things to be changed, we have to work at the change. That's the way we can get through it. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye.